Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's math adventure. Have you ever wondered how to plot a tricky fraction like -11/4 on a number line? Well, you're in the right place. But before we get to that, let's first understand what a number line is and how rational numbers work. A number line is a straight line where numbers are arranged in order, just like a ruler. At the center, we have 0. Numbers to the right of 0 are positive, and they keep increasing as you move further to the right. Numbers to the left of 0 are negative, and they keep decreasing as you move further left. Each point on the line represents a number, and the distance between each number is always equal. We can use a number line to count, add, subtract, and even understand fractions. Now let's talk about rational numbers. A rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction where both numbers are whole numbers and the denominator is not 0. For example, 1/2, 3/4, and -5/6 are all rational numbers. There are two general types of rational numbers. One, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, the fraction is less than 1. Example, 3/5, since 3 is smaller than 5, the fraction is less than 1. 2, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, the fraction is more than 1. Example, 7/4, since 7 is greater than 4, this fraction is more than 1. We can rewrite it as a mixed number, 1 and 3/4. Now let's take some examples and see how to mark them correctly on the number line. First example, 1/4. The fraction 1/4 means that one whole unit is divided into 4 equal parts. Since the numerator is 1, we take just one of those parts. To plot this on the number line, we start at 0 and move one step to the right, since the number is positive. We place a peg at the first division after 0. This is the place to mark 1/4. Second example, -3/8. The fraction -3/8 tells us that one whole unit is divided into 8 equal parts, and we need to take 3 of those parts. Since the fraction is negative, we move to the left of 0 instead of the right. We count 3 small steps to the left and place our mark there. This is the place to mark -3/8. Third example, 5/4. The fraction 5/4 is an improper fraction, meaning the numerator is greater than the denominator. This tells us that the value is more than one whole unit. To make it easier to plot, we convert it into a mixed number. 5/4 equals 1 and 1/4, which means one whole unit plus 1/4 of the next unit. To plot this, we start at 0, move one full step to the right for the whole number 1, and then move one more quarter step to the right. That is 5/4. Now let's finally plot -11/4. First, we convert it into a mixed number. -11/4 equals -2 and 3/4. This means we need to move 2 full steps to the left of 0 for the -2, and then move 3 more quarter steps further left. So starting from 0, we go 2 full units to the left. This brings us to -2. 3 more quarter steps left, which takes us to -2 and 3/4. Now we mark our point right there. That is -11/4. And there you have it. That's how you plot rational numbers on a number line. Math becomes easy when we take it step by step, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting math lessons. See you in the next video.